Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I'm introducing a new style by Margu. This one is called Willow in the color 10613 GR. I'm gonna have to stand a little farther back from the camera because this one is extra long but super wearable. Lots of nuggets you won't want to miss here coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One for this review today. Be sure to check it out at Wig Studio One. I will apply the links directly below the video in the description box. You can go out and check out all of the colors and more details and pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If there's anything we can do, if you have any questions, reach out to support at wigstudio1.com or from any product page on the site. Scroll down, hit the help button to be connected with a live chat. Willow is a super long kind of beach wave style with a manageable fringe and a light texture and density. I think it will be great for all seasons. So the 10613 GR was introduced to us in 2020 by Margu, and I actually named this as the color of the year. My own personal opinion. I just couldn't get enough of this color, this beautiful, cool ash blonde. So what you'll see in here is a medium to dark ash blonde, and then that's very heavily highlighted with platinum, an ash platinum. So this is a very ashy tone overall, and you will find a root. This is a medium gold brown root. It transitions nicely. It does not make any abrupt stops. You can see the rooting from all areas. It looks very natural indeed. So Willow is that super long, sexy beach wave style. It fits in nicely as a progression from, let's just say, Kendall, which is a medium length beach wave style with a very similar front bang. And then you have Harper, a similar bang, but it's a little bit longer. And now you have Willow, which is even longer. So let's discuss the dimensions. It's about 8 inches there in the front. I believe from memory that Kendall's around 7, and so would the Harper be around 7. But the bangs act identical to those two styles in that they're fairly straight right off of that lace front, and they're easy to kind of feather back into the style. I feel like they frame the face nicely, and they're super manageable. I have had really long styles where that first layer comes way down, you know, maybe 15 inches or so, and it just doesn't flatter the face shape as well. This first layer of 8 inches is really a nice feature on this really long style. Now overall, from the crown down is about 23 inches. I did measure that with my own tape. So this is as long as of a style I've ever reviewed. And I have reviewed several 23-inch styles here recently, and actually they're kind of growing on me. I'm usually a short hair fan, but they're making these so practical with some beautiful fringe that it's really hard to resist. And Willow has a lace front and left monofilament lace part. Let's take a look. I am so impressed with Margu's construction. I don't think I've ever met a lace front that I didn't absolutely love here. So what you'll see is that temple to temple lace front, and then they bring the highlight color right up to that lace front. Every other knot or so, you will see that. And there's even some little baby hairs. It just gives a beautiful natural look, doesn't it? Now I can only report on the piece that I have, but for the most part, the Margu does never disappoint in terms of quality of cap features. And then you have that left monofilament part going back nearly to the crown that will give you the illusion of scalp. So there's a beachy wave texture. It looks like a long spiral that has been loosened and texturized, kind of shattered at the ends. This beach wave just has a beautiful kind of a brushed out look to it, doesn't it? It's very silky. The fibers are super fine. I'm kind of struggling with a bit of flyaways every time I get my hands in there and kind of stir it up. It's super soft, silky, and baby fine. I think that's what gives it that brushed out look, because super baby fine hair is not going to be able to hold the body that a thicker strand might. Hair isn't too shiny. It's got a nice gloss to it, but it doesn't look like an unnatural synthetic shininess. It looks really good. This being the regular synthetic fiber, so it is not a heat-friendly style. So I think this is a very wearable, light textured style. So not only are each of the fibers really fine, the density is nice and average, and it just feels really light on the head. It doesn't feel overpowering. I don't feel like I'm getting claustrophobic under this hair. So the other contributing factor to the wearability of this style is the fact that it's low permatease. Yes, you heard right. I think you can kind of tell it's kind of flat on top, but it works. It works so well because you can pinch in just a little bit around that part to get some lift, but it's not a heavy, glamorous kind of pageant hair lift. It's just a nice, natural, realistic amount of lift. So you're not gonna find any soft, pillowy permatease on this cap based on the piece that I have. And the fact that it's not heat friendly, this might be a great alternative to some of the longer heat friendly styles we see like this on the market today. So if you're opposed to the heat-friendly fiber, this would definitely be one to check out. The fiber is very combable. So grab yourself a wide tooth comb. It just glides. It honestly just glides through this hair. You can see how fine those fibers are, how easily feathered back. So I think that this is going to perform like any other long Henry Margu style. The biggest caution that I have on this style is the cap. It runs really large on me. Henry Margu is really made for that average to average large head for the most part, based on all the Henry Margu pieces that I have explored. This one is no different. In fact, I feel like it may be a little bit larger than what I'm used to from Henry Margu. So I did have to crisscross the adjusters to accommodate a petite average circumference. This one would be so easy to wear down in all of its natural glory and beauty. Or you could easily put it up. So we're going to be working with some of those styling options in the styling segment. Here's an inside look at the cap for Henry Margu's Willow. There's that temple to temple extended lace front. You'll see it's beautifully contoured, moves past into the middle of the ear tab, just gorgeous. Offers a beautiful realistic hairline. And then a very long monofilament part that goes all the way back to the crown. Nice large parting space there as well. You have a closed felted ear tab with nice sturdy stays, lots of fiber spliced in. I feel like there's really nice coverage there. An extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters. And you'll notice I crisscross those adjusters to help keep it from rolling around on my head. I have a petite average circumference. I feel like this is average to average large. Lots of wefting and lots of stretch. This style is right out of the box. I made the adjustments, put it on, kind of swirled around with my fingers, and that has been it. This is exactly the way it should look for you right out of the box. This is based on the piece that I have. Let's try with glasses. So I've got my aviator shades here. I think it looks really cute. Very cool, very Hollywood with those aviators and this long, luscious hair, doesn't it? So much fun. And the glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. So I'll just go ahead and manipulate this hair a little bit just so you can see how it moves and reacts under styling conditions. One thing I recommend is maybe a squirt of water or even some sea salt spray or some texturizing spray to bring out this beachy wave texture. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you next time on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.